Coconut oil, extracted from the kernel or meat of mature coconuts, has become a popular ingredient in the culinary and wellness world. Its unique fatty acid composition offers numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the various health benefits of coconut oil, its role in disease prevention, and the latest studies on this versatile oil. Welcome to Very Okay. Today, we have an incredibly exciting and informative video lined up for you, all about the amazing coconut oil. Trust us, you don't want to miss a second of this episode, so make sure you watch until the very end. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of coconut oil, exploring everything from its numerous health benefits to its countless culinary applications. We'll also share some mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips to help you harness the power of this versatile and delicious ingredient. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Now, let's dive into coconut oil. Health benefits of coconut oil. Cardiovascular health. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which have been shown to increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. Although it also raises LDL, bad cholesterol, its overall impact on heart health may be more favorable than other saturated fats. Weight management. MCTs in coconut oil can help promote weight loss by increasing energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Research has shown that MCTs can reduce body weight, waist circumference, and insulin resistance compared to long-chain triglycerides, LCTs. Brain health. Some studies suggest that MCTs found in coconut oil might provide an alternative energy source for the brain, potentially benefiting people with Alzheimer's disease and other neurological disorders. Immune system support. Coconut oil has antimicrobial properties due to its high lauric acid content, which can help protect the body against various bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Skin and hair health. Coconut oil is widely used for its moisturizing and nourishing effects on the skin, improving skin barrier function and reducing inflammation. It also protects hair from damage and breakage. Disease prevention. Heart disease. While coconut oil contains saturated fats, its unique fatty acid composition may have a positive impact on heart health. More research is needed to determine its overall effect on cardiovascular disease risk. Diabetes. Studies have shown that MCTs in coconut oil may help improve insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance. However, more research is needed to confirm the long-term effects of coconut oil on diabetes management. Alzheimer's disease. Although more research is needed, some studies suggest that the MCTs in coconut oil could provide an alternative energy source for the brain, potentially benefiting people with Alzheimer's disease. Published studies on coconut oil. Numerous studies have been conducted to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of coconut oil. A 2016 meta-analysis of 21 studies found a more favorable lipid profile with coconut oil, compared to other saturated fats. A 2015 study indicated that MCTs in coconut oil might help promote weight loss. A 2013 study demonstrated the antibacterial activity of coconut oil against Staphylococcus aureus and Candida species. Cooking with coconut oil, tips and recipe ideas. To make the most of coconut oil's benefits, try incorporating it into your meals with these tips and recipe ideas. Breakfast. Prepare pancakes or waffles using coconut oil instead of butter for a delightful twist on traditional recipes. Cook scrambled eggs or omelets with a small amount of coconut oil to enhance their flavor and add a dose of healthy fats. Lunch and dinner. Make a coconut oil-based marinade for grilling or baking fish, chicken, or vegetables. Use coconut oil in place of other fats when making homemade pizza dough or flatbreads. Create a coconut curry by sautéing onions, garlic, and spices in coconut oil before adding vegetables, protein, and coconut milk. Snacks and desserts. Make homemade popcorn on the stovetop with coconut oil for a healthier alternative to store-bought microwave popcorn. Create chocolate coconut truffles by combining melted dark chocolate, coconut oil, and shredded coconut. Whip up a batch of coconut oil-based energy balls with oats, nut butter, and dried fruit for a quick and nutritious snack. Choosing the right coconut oil. When purchasing coconut oil, look for the following qualities to ensure you are getting the best product. Virgin or extra virgin, this means the oil is minimally processed and retains more of its natural nutrients. Cold pressed, the oil is extracted without the use of heat, which helps preserve its nutritional properties. Organic, the coconuts used to produce the oil are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Precautions and considerations. While coconut oil has numerous health benefits, it is essential to use it in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Keep in mind the following points. Coconut oil is high in saturated fats, which should be consumed in moderation to maintain heart health. If you have a history of high cholesterol or heart disease, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating coconut oil into your diet. As with any dietary change, start with small amounts of coconut oil and observe how your body responds. Coconut oil is a versatile and healthful addition to your culinary repertoire, offering numerous benefits for heart health, weight management, brain function, and more. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet and experimenting with various recipes, you can enjoy its unique flavor and nutritional advantages while supporting your overall well-being. Remember to choose high-quality coconut oil and use it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. If you enjoyed learning about coconut oil and its numerous benefits, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Very Okay. We have plenty more knowledge-packed videos and tasty recipe tutorials coming your way, so you won't want to miss out. Join our community and let's continue our culinary journey together. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us grow and bring you even more fantastic content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.